not legal to be in the restaurant, you know. No, 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 not legal. Oh, little darling. They are not stupid. The fisherman is fishing outside of the molo. Yeah, guys. Hello, guys. Be safe. Stay here. Yeah. So strange, guys. There is fishermen, of course, outside of the marina. But the fishes, they know, so they stay in the marina. Yeah. And it's not a few of them either. It's a lot. It's a bunch. It's a whole family meeting. Gosh, the whole marina is completely filled up with fishes. And the guy out there, he don't get anything. No, he tries. Hola, hola. Yeah, get up here. Yeah, that's how it is. There's a lot of food in here. A lot of nice boats too, and it's different kinds of fishes. Wow, it's so great. It's like an aquarium. But it's not. Oh, you're a big one, mister. Yeah, yeah. You better stay in here. The fisherman is out there. Yeah. The fisherman is out there. It's not good for him. No. Yeah, I know. True. It's very sad. Yeah. Look down there, guys. He is resting. He's sleeping safe. Deep in the marina. They are not stupid, these ones. Not at all. It's like they know that they're going on a fishing yeah. Oh, some good meat in this one. But I don't want to eat you. No. You're safe. See the cigarette there? If you compare the fish to this, it is quite a big one actually. And it's sleeping right underneath there. Oh yeah, there are some others too. Right in. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So, you have found yourself a seat, I can see, huh? Yeah. Are you happy with that, Mr. Boy?